So hello everyone, hopefully you're all doing fine. So today I want to show you how I achieved this cute little style. It is inexpensive, easy to make, plus it is so adorable. Oh, I love it, guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this, then keep on watching. So hi again. I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I went ahead and wetted my hands a little bit, applied it on my hair, trying to add some moisture on my hair, and then went ahead and sectioned it into 4 parts. This makes it easier when I'm doing a ponytail, so that my braids can all go up. And the other thing I also want to do is to put the hair that I'm not working with out of the way. Again, this makes it easier to work on the braid that I'm going to plait. Then I go and ahead and work section by section until I'm all done. Now I'm grabbing a hair tie and adding these braids that I pre-made on this tie. So if you don't know how, if you want to see how I made this, I'll put the video in the description box for you. And one thing that I forgot to mention in that video is that when after making these braids, you want to go ahead and put them in hot water and let them air dry. First, I'm going to get this hair that is on the yarn, and then I tie it around my mini pony. Then I try to secure it, passing it through the hair tie. Making sure that it is tight enough. Then I went ahead and grabbed the other piece that I've just made. I get it tied around the ponytail. I didn't want something big, I wanted something small, so I still have some braids remaining here. And that's it. I think I like it. So grabbed some hair at the back and wrap it around just to make it a little bit more cute. And the other thing that I forgot to mention in the last video, that you don't want to take your braids off the yarn because you might lose the loop if you take them off. So now I'm adding another elastic, to make it more secure and tight so that it doesn't fall off. So this is how my hair looks at the back. I think I did a great job. What do you think, guys? I like it. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye and stay safe.